Welcome to Avyukta in Telecall Consulting Private Limited. This video will provide you guidance for monitoring, barging and whispering procedure. First, go to Process. Click on My Process, then select Campaign and click on Live Details. On this new page, click Choose Report Display option, then select desired option in Monitor box. Available options are Monitor, Barge, and Whisper. Listen used to monitor an operator on live call. The supervisor can hear both the operator and customer, but no one can hear the supervisor. Barge is used by supervisor to talk with both operator and customer. Barge connects the supervisor with operator and customer, and all parties can hear each other. In Whisper option, the supervisor can hear both operator and customer. And the operator can also hear the supervisor. But the customer can only hear the operator. Now in phone box, you need to type your monitoring ID. You have to configure this ID on your supervisor computer's soft phone. Also to listen the call, and then click on Submit. Once you submit the pop-up with desired option, then you can see the selected option. Listen, Barge and Whisper is now available against all logged-in agent session on Live Details page. Now when agent is on Live Call, then you can click on Listen, Barge or Whisper button on agent session, and a call will be placed on your soft phone by dialer. And you can then listen, Barge or Whisper. The live call is clicked accordingly. Thank you for watching this video.